10:15 at night, the children are fast asleep, my husband is watching football, and I have mending to tackle. Well, I have 2 cushions, a curtain, a pair of trousers for my son, and a dress I should have meant for my friend ages ago, but she'll forgive me. So let's start with the curtain because I can see that the machine is already threaded in blue. So I don't know where this curtain came from. It's from IKEA, it says on the label, but I didn't buy it. Someone must have given it to me. And I kept it, and it's going to be good for a cupboard storage room I have. And what I need to do is to trim it because it's more than 2.5 meters and I need it at 195. So it's just measuring, cutting, and hemming with a double hem. So after cleaning the table a little bit, the thing is that I like mending stuff. I really do, but the problem is that I always leave it for some other time and the time never comes. Because you always say, well, when I have a spare while, I'll do it. Who has a spare while? No one. So it always remains there. I'm going to mark the 2 sides at 197 centimeters, and then the good thing, because I'm using these pressure rail things, the good thing of this is that if the curtain is a bit short or a bit long, you can always adjust it. It doesn't really matter. So that's good. So I'm going to give it the seam allowance, and that's it. Where's the other mark? Some pins so I don't make mistakes. And because it's not too wide, you can just measure from one side to the other, and like this, it will be okay. Good, good, good. It says here is 70% polyester, 30% cotton, and the piece left I'm going to keep, of course. Yeah. And just by folding twice, giving it the same distance, we can make a nice looking hemline with stretching it straight. Well, this is not complicated at all. You just have to fold twice, leaving more or less the same hemming line like the one that brings on the sides, so it looks coherent, and that's it. The fabric is not, it's just a thin, cheap fabric, polyester and cotton. I can see through it. It's not a net, but you can definitely see it's thin. I just wanted to hide stuff. So that's what I wanted it for. And even though I made a storage room curtain with a shower curtain and I said it's ideal, I still think it's ideal. But I came upon this one the other day. I thought it was just a piece of remnant, and then I saw the top of a curtain and I said, well, let's use it because I cannot find the other shower curtain I had around. So I'm going to use this one. It looks fine. I don't know if it's too wide for the bit I wanted. In case it's too wide, I'll just do the same and cut a strip and sew it the same. So that's it. It's just to hide stuff. On to the next one. And the next one is a pair of my son's trousers, which look terrible. They have holes on the knees, which is what I'm mending. And why do I want to keep them if they look so terrible? Because they're okay to be in the garden or things like that, because you know, children playing, so they'll be okay for the rest of the long trousers season, which is just a month or less. So I'm going to use some interfacing. This works really well when you have to mend something, when you have to mend a hole, because it'll just stick to it. So you'll be able to sew it perfectly fine once it's stuck. So let's go ahead. And now that I have the interfacing already in place, I'm going to just give it a bit of a hand sewing. It's just, the thing is that I could put a patch on top, yes, of course, but I don't want to waste any materials on this because they're already wrecked and they're not going to fit him in a month. And as soon as the heat starts, he won't be wearing them again and they won't fit him for next year. It's just a pair of cheap sweatpants that we're not keeping. So I just want them to finish the cold-ish fit season so he can wear them in the garden and things like that to finish wrecking them. So that's the only use they're going to have. And then as soon as he starts wearing shorts, they won't fit him anyway. So it's just that. It's not that I don't want to fix them. It's just that it's not worth doing anything else to them. And I have a few to do the same with. So I'm not going to do them here in camera, of course, because it's just the same once and again. But yes, it's just like that, isn't it? They grow so fast. Let's not cry. Como nuevo. To the next one. These are my cushions from my bedroom from when I was really little. My son had them, now my daughter has them, and I got really nervous when I saw that the seam was open. And what happens that I can't find it now. Where is it? Ah, yes, that you can see the inners of the cushion, and you know how children put things in their mouths. So I got hysterical. I got really nervous, and I'm just seeing that they have like a nylon thread. It's not even like a proper thread. So, well, anyways, I'm going to sew them. I could just sew them with the sewing machine, but because it's just an invisible stitch, I'm going to do the same. And to make an invisible stitch by hand, I'm going to start inserting my needle on one side of the seams and then cross to the other side. Once I cross, I'm going to go down on the same side and cross again. So from the outside, you can see these little horizontal lines like a ladder. And when you pull, everything disappears. You don't need to do it really close together. It's just a stitch that is ever so useful. De todos modos tienen que ir a la lavadora, ¿eh? Ah, que tienen otro roto aquí. Ahora sí. So my friend got this dress. It has this modern vibe to it, with the fringes and the the cut is nice. But the problem is that it's long on her. So it has these shoulder pads that I'm going to get rid of, and it's folded in, so I think it should be easy enough. Well, this is the shoulder and the neckline, and you can see how this is not very well sewn because it's coming out here, but you can see how the shoulder pad is the one hemming the armhole area, like so. So I'm going to get rid of it. I've already marked how far in I have to take it. And then this bit on the neckline is the same, just fold it, and this is in here. So I can easily do this. So this is the dress, and it has a belt as well. Again, when you're going to fix something, try even taking pictures, so when you're doing it, you are sure of what you're doing and you're following the proper steps. And another thing is that even though we always say we take one measurement and we use the same for the other side of your body, we are not symmetrical. So make sure you take 2 measurements before you do anything, so everything fits nicely. So this is it for now. Cushions, curtain, trousers and dress, a bit of everything. So if you like this kind of video, consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. It helps the channel a lot, and that way you don't miss anything. And you can also recommend the channel to someone you know might enjoy it. And I'll see you around. Bye. I'm also on Instagram. Hola, hola.